Hey, Smoking Bears here. It is Cinco de Mayo, Revenge of the 5th. And as you can see, we are Sith, and we're going to make enchiladas. We've never done this before, so bear with us. So what we have here is carnita pork, and we have some mojo chicken. We have black beans, red enchilada sauce, and some green chilies. In this bowl here, we have a mixture of shredded cheese, black beans, green chilies, and some of the mojo chicken. So we're going to start with rolling some chicken. We're going to take one of these tortillas, grab some filling, put it in the center, and then roll them up. That might be too much. I can't really see. Roll it kind of tight, put it in the pan, seam down. We'll do this a few more times here. Let's do that again. Can't really see.
That's a little too much.
A little too much? Alright.
You're good, you're good.
Alrighty. Can't tell if that's going good or not.
Yep.
Alright, so we'll do a few more of these. We'll fill up this pan, then we'll come back when we're done.
So we finished with the boho chicken enchiladas. Now we're going to move on to the carnitas. So you want to take a handful from the mixture. Let me take a little bit more than a handful. And you want to pour about a third of the peppers in.
Green chilies.
Green chilies. That's about enough. And some black beans. Yeah. That's about right. And we're putting some sauce on it. And we're adding Mexican.
That'd be a blooper.
Some cheese. You don't want to add too much, but you want to also make sure it's there. Now you want to mix it with your hands. Alright. Now once it's all mixed up, you want to repeat the process again. Take a bit. And then you kind of want to roll it pretty tight. And put it in to your bit. And then repeat until all your mixture is gone. Make sure to have the tortillas with the seam side down so it does not come undone. These don't take long, so they're really fun and easy to make. You can do like a bunch of different flavor combinations. Okay. Okay. So for us, that was the end of our mixture. So we're gonna repeat the process and make some more. So I made some more mixture and I'm going back to rolling them. Once again, you want to roll them pretty tight. And I have the last one in the making. And we're going to make one more. I'll make two more just to finish off the mixture. And also because we have room. So you can place them on the side. Just make sure that there's only one layer. We'll make this one a fat enchilada. That's a little bit too fat. There. Okay. Once again, you roll it again. Seam side facing down. And so that is all of our mixture. And now
you're going to top it with the red sauce.
Just filling it up.
That's good. And then we top it with the cheese. Love the cheese. Loads of cheese. Oh, nice. Oh, well. Alright, so from here, we are going to go out to the drum. We got it fired up to about 300 degrees. And we're going to let it go for a while, I guess just till the cheese melts. Maybe 30 minutes. We'll see.
Alright.
Whoops.
This is really good.
Alright, here we are. We got the pans on the drum. On the ugly drum smoker. The C3PO one. Because of Star Wars weekend. Alright, we'll come back and check them in a little while. Alright folks, I just want to tell you, I realized we didn't tell you about the pork carnitas. A friend of ours bought them. They was already pre-marinated. We threw them on the smoker and smoked them for about 4 hours. Got the internal temp up about 200 on the pork roast. Then we pulled them. The chicken mojito or mojos were chicken breasts that were marinated overnight in a mojo marinade, put in the fridge overnight, and then smoked with the pork for it was like an hour and a half, 2 hours, until they were nice, and then when they were pulled, and taste phenomenal. So I just want to throw that out there as what we used, and there we go.
Alright.
Whoa, look at those. I'm going to say they're done. They've been on about 30 minutes. So we will get these taken inside and get them plated up.
Hey, so we're back inside and we are ready to start plating. And how you take off the enchiladas is really easy. So here is a pork one. So we're gonna give this puppy taste. All right. That's good. That's really good. That's really good. Now we're gonna have to try the chicken because the better, the more you taste, the better it's gonna get. All right, now put it over here, over here. All right, and now it's time. That's good. I 100% recommend this to make no matter what day it is. Make these.
Alright. Well, that's Smoking Bears. Smoking Bears Enchiladas on Star Wars weekend. Happy Cinco de Mayo. This will probably go up tomorrow, so it won't be Cinco de Mayo anymore.
The day after Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah. But they were easy. That's how we do it.
Kid approved?
Kid approved. Kid made. Kid approved. So, what do we say?
Go ahead, get out there, smoke something with your kids, and have fun.
Light it up and get your kids with you. Smoking Bears out.
Bye.